Makofi! The command center is formally open. SKM Command Center. Makofi, 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 makofi! It is really a momentous occasion, ladies and gentlemen, and it's beautiful up there. Congratulations, SKM, for this wonderful, wonderful opportunity to serve Kenyans once again from this command center.
Inafanya kazi. Hebu ongeza velocity ya hii nini? Ongeza nini? Tokens ya hii. Niko sasa mnanisikiliza?
The vision of Dr. John Garang.
We need to empower Kenyans to pursue their dreams through innovation, collaboration, and be able to grow the economy. The SKM Command Center will develop a sustainable and well-tested welfare program that will protect Kenyans from harm, provide decent and affordable education for every child, provide a robust public health care system, and cushion our workers from job losses through sound economic policies, and be able to provide clean water to all households in our country. We'll also wage relentless war on corruption in the public sector and be able to revitalize infrastructure development that provides sustainable returns on investment. To curb the endemic traffic jams in our cities, of course, that's why my colleague had to leave an hour to his appointment because of the anticipated problem with the traffic gridlocks. We will, of course, have work to do about that. Foreign companies doing business will also be required to invest at least 50% of their net profits in our country and be able to create jobs. We will be a business-friendly government, that's for sure, because government is very poor in doing business. This